Welcome to ZeroTRace, and I'm Shen. We unravel tools that make networks analysis and security checks a breeze. Meet ZeroTRace, a powerful tool designed for network security professionals and IT administrators alike. ZeroTRace is a Python-based utility that combines two critical functionalities: port scanning and network packet sniffing. It's lightweight, efficient, and easy to use. So let's dive into what ZeroTRace can do. First, port scanning. Quickly scan IP addresses or domain names to identify open ports. It even exports the result to handy CSV file for your records. Second, packet sniffing. Analyze network traffic in real time with customizable filters to focus on specific protocols or IP addresses. ZeroTRace even saves the captured packet in the log.txt format and .cap format for detailed analysis. The installation of ZeroTRace is straightforward. Git clone the package of ZeroTRace in GitHub to the local computer environment and run the included installation script to set up all necessary dependencies. Here's how it works. Run the ZeroTRace _install _dependencies.sh to checks for the Python and pipe to ensure prerequisite sites are ready. Automatically install required libraries like pyfiglet and Scapy. Third, confirms a successful setup. Within a moment, you are ready to go. Using ZeroTRace is as simple as selecting an option from the main menu. Option 1, port scanning. Enter the target IP or domain, specify an output file, and let ZeroTRace analyze over 65,536 ports using multi-threading for efficiencies. Option 2, network packet sniffing. For the option 2, choose your network interface, set filters for protocols or IPs, and monitor the network traffic in real time. Let's look at the code to understand how ZeroTRace works. The port scanning features use Python socket and concurrent features to check ports in parallel for efficiency. It verifies the target IP or domain and writes the scan result including port status and timestamp to a CSV file that is generated by the CSV library. Furthermore, this program also has a function to validate IPs with IP address library and URLs with URL-lib library. Not only that, using thread pool executor for multi-threading and updating the real-time status in the terminal. For the packet sniffing features, leverage the Scapy library for real-time traffic monitoring. It allows you to apply filters by IP or protocol and self-capture packet for offline analysis. The key concept includes getIfList function to enumerate networks interface, packets filtering using customizable conditions, sniffing using function sniff, and saving data to .cap and .txt files using function wrpcap, and append function for further inspection. ZeroTRace is perfect for penetration testing to find potential vulnerabilities in your system, troubleshooting network issues and diagnosing connectivity problems, learning about network traffic as a beginner or a student in cybersecurity. Now, download the code in GitHub, follow the installation guide, and start exploring your network today. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tools and tutorials in ZeroTRace.